Hello everyone. In this video, Hidemyacc will guide you on how to create and manage Gmail accounts for running Google Ads campaigns. Gmail accounts must be trusted from creation and throughout its usage to run a Google campaign smoothly and avoid errors. You can refer to the following process. First is the process of creating a Gmail account. You need to create a new Chrome profile. Then, go to Gmail to create an account. Click on Create an account for personal use. Now, fill in the required information step by step. First is your first and last name. Then, your date of birth and gender. You can choose any username, as long as it's easy to remember. The same goes for the password. Choose one that is easy to remember but secure. Finally, enter your phone number for verification. After entering your phone number, you will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter that verification code. For the alternative email, you can use a temporary email from mail.tm. And that's it for creating a new Gmail account. In addition to registering by yourself, you can buy an aged Gmail account, one that was registered before 2020. If you can get a Gmail account from a real user with usage history, that's even better. However, avoid accounts that have been previously violated on other websites to minimize risks. After creating or purchasing a new Gmail account, you cannot start running Google Ads campaigns immediately. These accounts are still new and weak, so they must be farmed for a while to increase their trustworthiness. A Trust Gmail account is essential for running a high-quality Google campaign. You can refer to the following process to nurture your Gmail account. First, complete the Google account profile by adding an avatar, enabling 2FA, adding a recovery email, and adding a phone number. Since you'll need to add a phone number to run Google Ads campaigns sooner or later, you can add it right away or wait until it's required. After completing the profile, create a YouTube channel. Once the YouTube channel is created, watch the suggested videos. Register for a few Google services like Google Alerts. You can also use additional services like Google Drive to upload photos or files. Next, register on a few social media accounts that allow login with a Google account. Consider sending emails back and forth with some of your other email accounts. You can use Google Translate and Google Search Daily. Use the account like a normal user. This process ensures that your profile has cookies and signals from social networks. Google will value Gmail accounts with a history of diverse login and browsing data, frequent activity, and no signs of suspicious spam behavior. If your product niche is often restricted by Google, you should nurture a batch of about 10 to 20 Gmail accounts simultaneously for backup. You can use Hidemyacc to manage this batch of Gmail accounts. Each account will be logged in on a separate profile, similar to logging in on different computers. Just add a proxy to ensure the accounts are not linked or flagged by the system. Repeat these activities for 1 to 3 months before starting the campaign. When launching a campaign, keep the following points in mind. First, prepare your content in advance to ensure the campaign is set up correctly from the start. Avoid making frequent changes to the campaign, as this may trigger multiple reviews by Google. Second, you can use any payment method, but if you want to increase the budget, do so gradually, by 5 to 10% per day. Sudden budget increases can raise suspicion on the account. Third, in addition to the main campaign, consider running supplementary or bait campaigns. For example, if your main campaign is Google search, you might consider running a small budget YouTube video ads campaign as a bait campaign. Bait campaigns typically spend money more easily, helping stabilize the account. If your campaign is set up correctly but isn't spending money, you can add keywords or target additional countries to prompt a review of the campaign. Additionally, if the account is suspended during the campaign due to issues like system avoidance or malware on your website, be proactive in appealing the suspension. Accounts that are successfully appealed often become more robust and trustworthy. Above, Hidemyacc has guided you on how to create a Gmail account, the process of farming the account, and how to launch a Google Ads campaign. Hidemyacc offers a 7-day free trial with 30 profiles so you can experience creating and farming multiple Gmail accounts simultaneously. For any assistance or information, please contact the Hidemyacc support team via live chat, Skype, or Telegram. Wishing you success.